I'm Joe from Versatility, and today we're going to be levelling up this already blacked out Defender 110 with some upgrades. We're going to kit the vehicle out with a nice LED grille and a SETI branding pack. To improve the stance of the vehicle, we're going to be fitting it with some nice gloss black wide wheel arches. Also going to be fitting 20-inch bowler racing wheels with some off-road tyres. These silver side steps are going to be changed with some black ones. Also fit it with a roof rack, and to completely transform the look of the vehicle, we're going to be fitting it with stealth PPF. Right, let's get to work. Just remove these silver side steps from the vehicle. Got the nice new black ones here ready to be fitted. So we've just finished fitting the LED grille. The next step is to get these stock arches off, then it's into the PPF bay before we can continue with any more work.
Now it's time for the stealth PPF conversion, which will change the gloss finish to a satin one.
So we've now got the bowler 20-inch racing wheels ready to be fitted with these BF Goodrich all-terrain tyres. So we've just finished fitting the bowler wheels with the tyres. It's now time to get these wide arches fitted. Onto the final stage of the build, we're now going to get this roof rack onto the vehicle. As you can see, these upgrades have made a huge difference to the overall look of this Defender. Do you want your Defender to stand out from the crowd? Then contact SETI today.